Hey, what's up, guys? Just want to say how you doing, and thanks for all you guys that subscribe to the channel. Just want to say I created this channel to help out the new guys kind of throughout the training process. Our training isn't as long as I'd like it to be, and with the amount of product that we handle, you just don't get to see everything in the week or so that we do the training. So that was the main reason I created this channel, was to have something for the new guys. I could send the video to them, or they could watch this before they even start the job and get an idea of what kind of work is ahead of them, and give them the best chance of success on making the deliveries properly and not making mistakes. Because I tell you from experience, and I really didn't get trained into this job. It was a job I learned by doing, and unfortunately when you learn that way, you learn by your mistakes. So I try to pass along as much as I can to prevent you guys from making the same mistakes that I did, because it can be very time consuming when you make a bad mistake. So anyways, I just want to say to anybody that's new, or to any of the guys that you haven't seen anything on my channel that you want to know about, or you want to see a video of something, leave me a comment. I'll take requests, I guess. If I could show you something that you want to learn and I come across it, I'll film it. It could be anything from, if you want to start your own contracting business, questions about that. A lot of guys always ask me about taxes, because we're contractors. So I've been around a while. You can ask me about that. Just anything you want to know. Kind of equipment we use. What I personally use on the truck, because there's a lot of things that I carry on the truck that not everybody carries. So it could be from just extra straps to, I always keep backup of everything. Power cords, torsion bar, anything that I could potentially lose or break throughout my day, I have a backup for. So yeah, guys, just reach out to me in the comments. Anything you want to learn, just let me know, and I'll do my best to respond and get you the information you need, and as much as I can. I'm not an expert on everything. I'm always open to learning more from guys that are more experienced than me, which that's a lot of the stuff I've learned is from a lot of other guys that have done this longer, truckers that have been in other trades besides this forklift truck job. You learn a lot from a lot of different people, and you should always be that way with whatever you do. So any guys with experience out there that's watching my videos, you got any advice, I'm always open to it. And I always like to improve myself, because I like to make things move along quicker whenever I can. So yeah, send me a like or comment, and if you're new, subscribe to the channel, and let's all help each other out and make life a little bit easier on all of us trying to get this kind of work done. And that's about it for today. I'll be posting a video tomorrow about time management, so stay tuned for that one. It's a little advice on how to get your day done faster when you do decide to do this for a living. The things I do to manage my time and make sure I get the best value out of the time I spend at this job. All right, take care, guys. Hope everybody's doing well.